Good morning, children. Today we are going to start session 2 of lesson 9, Community Decision Making in a Tribe. Gond, Panch and Patla. The village headman derived their authority from the village Panch, or the council of adult male householders. In the villages, the senior citizens form a group and they are the members of Panch, that is Panchayat. This council has the last word in matters concerning the village as a whole, and the headman is its chairman. The village Panch, in a sense, represents the Gond society as a whole. When matters of importance are discussed, all adult men will be present and young boys and women watch the proceedings. They have no say in the proceedings, the women. Some of the functions of the Panch are fix the dates of major festivals, allow or reject marriages or divorces, set down norms for marriages or death rights, settle disputes, etc. The Panch can impose fines and even force a person to leave the village or even order all other Gonds not to have any relation with him. When a dispute involves people from many villages, then the council of all the villages concerned meet in a joint panchayat. When a dispute is presented to the Panch, the first aim is to get the facts of the case. The two parties are allowed to make a detailed presentation of their points of view. They also ask the witness to give their evidence in front of the panchayat. After this, the Panch discusses the provisions of the traditional customs followed by the Gonds and try to arrive at a solution acceptable to both the parties. After hearing his or her response, the Panch will take the final decision, and that has to be followed by the both parties. Here is an interesting example of how they do justice. One day a girl brought a case before the Panch against a man who teased her. When she slapped him for it, he hit her and she fell on the ground, but he managed to run away. Then the accused man was asked what he had to say. He admitted his guilt. The Panch asked the girl what she wished to do to the accused. She said that he should be given the most insulting punishment and that he should give in writing that he would not trouble her anymore in future. The Panch then ordered him to stand in the middle of the Panch, bow down before the girl and beg for pardon. The village headman or patla. Every village has a headman or patla who is generally hereditary. Hereditary means, children, an arrangement in which the son or daughter gets the father's or mother's title or property automatically after the death is called hereditary. While the Panch only meets once in a while, the headman functions on a daily basis. Functions of patla. This is the most important questions coming up in the exams. Always it comes in the exam. Just follow the functions of the patla and remember to ensure the unity of the villagers and negotiate with the outsiders. He has to ensure the unity of the villagers and negotiate means to have a talk with the outsiders and the government agencies on behalf of the villagers. He also coordinates various community activities of the village, including festivals. He also has to entertain and feed guests of the village. In return for all this, all men and women of the village work in his fields for one day. Whenever a headman becomes arrogant and goes against the wishes of the people, the Panch may remove him and replace with another person. Hemmendorf also pointed out that this system was gradually changing. Even in 1940s and 1950s, as the Gond villages were inhabited by other communities like Marathas and Telugus. But many people started going to the police or courts to settle their disputes, rather than coming to the headman. The headman lost their position of importance with the election of sarpanches through direct elections. To conclude, we read that the customs of the tribe, as understood by all, the adult male members of the community were very important in conducting the activities of the community. We also saw that every family had a say in the activities of the community, and together they were more powerful than the headman. The headman had to persuade and keep the members of the community happy to retain his position. In return for his services provided by the headman to the tribe, he received some special privileges in the form of free labor on his field. This gave him more wealth than the other members of the tribe, but he was expected to spend this for the welfare of the tribe. Such was the arrangement in many of the tribal societies. These are the multiple choice questions, children. Complete your PDF notes and then write this at the end. Dash of the community conduct the affairs of the community. What is the answer, children? Male members of the community conduct the affairs of the community. Dash tribe live in Adilabad district of Telangana. Which tribe, children? Gonds. Dash represents the Gond society as a whole. Punch. The tribes have different ways of life, languages and cultures. Führer Hammendorf wrote books on which tribe, children? All the above. Gonds, Chenchus and Kondaredis. He stayed with them and he wrote books on their lifestyle. Hammendorf came to Andhra Pradesh in which year? 1940s. The headman lost their position of importance with the election of Dash through direct elections. Who is the person elected there? Sarpanches. B is the answer. I hope you have understood. Thank you. Have a nice day.